Young starlet Chloe Moretz has certainly proved she's well on her way to becoming a style icon despite her youth. The Hugo actress turned heads in a stunning red dress and matching heels at the National Board of Review Awards in New York, outshining other attendees including Keira Knightley, Stacy Keibler, and Helen Mirren, who stepped over to the dark side in black. Chloe's vampish frock left her looking older than her 14 years, and it got us thinking about other young starlets that are making waves on the fashion and red carpet scene. If the name Dakota Fanning conjures up images of a wild-eyed child star, it's time to think again. This 17-year-old can work a showbiz red carpet like an absolute pro. But is her younger sister Elle Fanning the most stylish 13-year-old ever? What about Haley Steinfeld? This 15-year-old's commitment to fashion helped her become the face of a Miu Miu campaign. Growing up right in front of our eyes, Selena Gomez is often one of the best-dressed ladies on the red carpet. Being Justin Bieber's girl will definitely help keep the attention on the 19-year-old, but her sophisticated fashion sense is certainly something that'll keep us talking as well. Not forgetting Emma Watson, who is all grown up at 21. Her modern, flowing dresses on the red carpet always leave us green with envy. So, will these stars ever turn into the next Marilyn Monroe or Audrey Hepburn? Who knows? But good dress sense and award-winning careers at their age sounds good enough to us.